Hello, it's English time. Here are some points to remember in structure of English. Let's have a quotation about learning. The more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go. It's by Dr. Seuss. First, let's talk about the pronouns I and me. The pronoun I is used if you are the doer or the subject of the sentence. Example, I love you. Me is used if you are the object or the receiver of the action. Example, you love me. An adjective only modifies either a noun or a pronoun. For example, it is a famous work. Work is the noun modified by an adjective famous. It is an interesting one. One is an indefinite pronoun modified by an adjective interesting. An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, he speaks fluently. Fluently is an adverb that modifies a verb speaks. They appreciate him very well. Very is an adverb that modifies another adverb well. The child is extraordinarily smart. Extraordinarily is an adverb that modifies an adjective smart. In active voice, when any of the linking verbs is used as a helping verb, the main verb must be in the ing form. We say it's in active voice when the doer of the action is the subject of the sentence. For example, he is playing. They were sleeping all afternoon. In active voice, when any of the emphatic verb like do, does, did is used, the main verb must be in the base form. For example, they do get the main idea. In active voice, the main verb must be in its base form if a modal is used as a helping verb. For example, you can do this. You should obey the rules. In active voice, the main verb must be in the past participle form if the helping verbs used are has, have, or had. Examples: he has taken the dog. They have proven it. In passive voice, the main verb must always be in the past participle form. We say it's passive voice when the object appears first in the sentence. Examples: the test has been taken by him. It was proven by them. Finally, a definite time marker must not be used in a sentence in the present perfect tense. It is wrong to say, I have submitted my paper yesterday. It must either be, I have submitted my paper, or I submitted my paper yesterday. Mahatma Gandhi said, live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever.